Yo, what up everybody, it's your boy Frenchiie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be teaching you guys how to hard reset your iPhone 11 Pro and Max. This works on all three devices, so let's waste no more time and get right into the video. So the first thing you guys are going to want to do is make sure your volume button up, down, and lock button completely work. So the first thing you're going to do is push the volume button up, down, continue to hold the lock button. You're going to continue to hold the lock button until your phone turns on and until you see the Apple logo, then you can release. You can now release. If you guys need any help on any other videos, shoot a comment down below or message me on Instagram. I'm always willing to help anybody out. And there you guys go. I'll be giving away an iPhone 12 Pro Max and a MacBook Air once we hit 100,000 subscribers. To enter the giveaway, all you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel. It's that simple, right? No catch. The giveaway will also be worldwide, so anybody can enter. I'll be giving away 2 lucky subscribers one of these devices. So all you guys have to do is subscribe to the channel, and that's it. Once we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'll give these away. All right, guys, we made it to the end of the video. I hope this has helped you guys out. If this didn't help you guys out, make sure you leave a comment down below or message me on Instagram. I will gladly, respond to those messages and try to get back to you guys as soon as possible. But like you guys do know, I do have a goal of reaching 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So hopefully I can reach that goal. And I can't reach that goal without you guys subscribing to the channel. So it would mean the world to me if you guys subscribe to the channel. It's been Frenchie, and that's all. Roll the outro.